All right, this is an updated version of how to turn something in through Onshape. So you're in your actual project, and then you should have a blue share button up here. Okay, you click it, and if you haven't done anything yet, this will be blank. If you go down here, it says individuals, public, link sharing. You click on link sharing. You have to turn on link sharing, and then copy. If you don't turn on link sharing and just try to copy the link, then when you turn it in, I can't view it. So you click close, and then you can just come into whatever assignment it is. Just say whatever one it is, start assignment, and then just paste it, and then hit submit. And then if it's anything, so some assignments have multiple, so like 1 through 20 or 1 through 15. You have to do all of them. And then, so if you have multiple links, you just kind of enter down and then paste each one. So that is how to turn things in Onshape.